Hello and welcome back to Arise and Learn English. Today I am going to share something very special with you. These are 10 powerful English tips that completely changed my life, and they can change your life too. Each tip is simple, practical, and easy to use every single day. If you follow these tips, you will see real progress in your English fluency. So let's begin. Tip 1. Read every day, even just a little. Reading is like food for your English brain. You don't have to read difficult novels. Start with graded readers, stories written for learners. Just 10 minutes of reading every day will improve your vocabulary, grammar, and understanding. I still remember the first simple story I read. It gave me confidence, and soon I wanted to read more and more. Tip 2. Listen before you speak. Many learners want to speak fluently, but they forget listening. Listening is the key. The more you listen, the more natural English sounds become in your head. Podcasts, YouTube, audiobooks. Listen every day, even if you don't understand everything. Slowly, your brain will start to copy the rhythm and phrases. Tip 3. Speak without fear. This was my biggest problem. I was always afraid of mistakes. But then I realized, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking now. Even if your sentences are simple, speak them. Talk to yourself, talk to friends, or use online partners. Speaking is practice, not a performance. Tip 4. Write a daily journal. Writing is powerful because it slows down your thoughts. You can see your mistakes and correct them. Start a simple English diary. Write about your day, your dreams, your problems. Just a few sentences each night will train your brain to think in English. I used this method, and it worked like magic. Tip 5. Think in English, not translate. This was the secret that changed everything for me. At first, I translated every word from my language into English. It was slow and stressful. But then I started thinking directly in English. How? By describing my actions, I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking rice. With time, English became natural in my head. Tip 6. Use English in daily life. Don't keep English only for study time. Use it everywhere. Change your phone into English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to your pet in English. The more you use English in real life, the faster it becomes part of who you are. Tip 7. Repeat and shadow. Repetition is the mother of learning. Listen to the same story many times. Repeat the sentences out loud. Shadowing is a great method. Listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately, copying their pronunciation and rhythm. This will make your speaking faster and more natural. Tip 8. Learn phrases, not just words. When I started, I memorized long vocabulary lists. But I forgot them quickly. Then I learned something smarter. Study phrases. Instead of responsible, learn responsible for something. Instead of interested, learn interested in. Phrases help you sound natural and remember words more easily. Tip 9. Be consistent, not perfect. The truth is, you don't need to study for 5 hours every day, but you must be consistent. 10 to 20 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Small, regular practice will build a strong English habit. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Tip 10. Stay motivated and patient. English is a journey, not a race. Sometimes you will feel tired. Sometimes you will feel like you are not improving. That's normal. Remember why you started. Watch motivational videos. Listen to inspiring stories. Celebrate small progress. If you stay motivated and patient, fluency will come. So, my friend, these are the 10 tips that changed my life. Reading, listening, speaking, writing, thinking in English, using it daily, repeating, learning phrases, being consistent, and staying motivated. If you practice these tips every day, I promise your English will improve. It may take time, but it will happen. English will open new doors for you, new jobs, new friends, new opportunities, and a new life. Thank you so much for listening. I hope these tips inspire you to keep going on your English journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Arise and Learn English. Remember, one small step every day can change your future. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. See you in the next video.